So let us now record a simple example. So say we have these two diagrams. So we have three resistors in parallel, 2, 4 and 8, and these two diagrams are the same. Yeah, so you need to convince yourself that the diagram on the left is same as the diagram on the right. That is because potential difference across the resistors is the same. So potential difference across A and B is the same. So let us now calculate the equivalent resistance. So you have three circuits in parallel. So you have 1 by R is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8. And you add this up, you get 7 by 8. So R is equal to 8 by 7. So first we calculate I, the current through the circuit. That is the current which is leaving the battery. So this I we want to compute. So you have the formula delta V is equal to IR. So delta V is given to you as 16 volts and R you have just computed as 8 by 7. Plug the values in, you get I as 14. So I is 14 amperes. Now we compute current through each of the individual circuits. So through circuit R1, R2 and R3, we have three currents flowing in, I1, I2 and I3. So I1 is nothing but delta V over R1, that is 16 over 2. So I1 is 8 amperes. I2 is again delta V over R2. Now again we are just taking the same potential across all the three resistors. And I3 is delta V over R3, which will give you 2 amperes. So notice that the current, total current 14 amperes is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. So 14 is equal to I1 is 8, I2 is 4 and then I3 is 2. So now we come to power. So power is given as I1 square R1, so that is 8 square times 2, 64 times 2, 128 watt. This is power through resistor 2 would be I2 square times R2. So this is 4 square times 4, 16 times 4, 64 watt, and P3 is power through resistor 3, I3 square times R3, that is 2 square times 4, 4 times 8, that is 32 watts. So you can see that there are three resistors in parallel. So the resistor which has the least resistance, that is the resistor 2, allows the maximum amount of power to go through it. Yeah, it allows the maximum amount of power to go through it because maximum current goes through it.